guide to all of the guns in DarkRP Electric State. Now I have every gun in the game, from the weakest M1911 to the most powerful M4 and to the most unique Medigun. Now I'm going to be ranking them based on their fire rate, their damage, and their accuracy. First we're going to start out explaining the ammo. There are three types of ammo, which are pistol ammo, rifle ammo, and SMG ammo. For the pistol ammo, you can see that you can buy it for $30 a box at 30 rounds a box. The rifle ammo, you can buy it $50 a box for 30 rounds a box, and the SMG ammo is $50 a box for 60 bullets. The pistol ammo will work for the M19 and the Deagle. The rifle ammo will work only for the M16, and the SMG ammo will work for the AK and the M4. Okay, first I will be testing the accuracy of every gun. How I will do this is I will shoot at that red box down there, and I will shoot at it from I believe this is 100 studs, or 150 studs, which is equal to 150 feet. I'm going to, that's my test subject, but, so I'm going to test the accuracy of the guns, and I'll shoot a whole magazine into that box and count the hits only, and then you'll have a ratio of hits to misses, and you will see, I don't know, I'll just put the ratio on the screen when I'm editing. Okay, I'm just going to tell my test subject what we're doing, and I'm going to put my mouse right on the middle of the box, just gotta make sure I'm good, and I'll see a flash of dust when I actually hit the box, so let's start.
Okay, so that was a whole 8 bullets, maybe this gun doesn't have the range for that. Okay, so this gun's accuracy is terrible, as you can see. Okay, 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits.
Okay, so we have 1 hit per magazine, which leads to a accuracy of 1/8, or I think that's about 23%. I'm not exactly sure. I'll turn the chat off. Okay, now we're with the Deagle.
No hit, miss, hit, miss.
Okay, so that is the same accuracy as the M1911 at about 1 hit per magazine. But it's actually a little bit better because it has a magazine of 7 shots. Now moving on to the AK. So let's hit this one.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All the shots are misses. So now we're going to move up to our middle point here, as we did with the M1911. 1 hit. So that. So I'm going to shoot out. Okay, that's 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits, 5, 6, 7.
8 hits out of 50. So it's about 16% accuracy. Now let's move on to the M16, which I believe has the highest accuracy in the game, but I'm not completely sure.
1, 2. Okay. Not getting any more hits. Okay. So we got.
That was actually worse than the AK at 2 hits for 25 shots. Okay, now let's move on to the M4.
1 hit.
Okay, this actually has the worst accuracy. At 1 hit for 25 shots. That's interesting. Okay, we'll be testing damage now, and we have a printer here so that he can press F to carry it, which will make him a criminal. and we're going to, with his best judgment, he will tell us what his health left is, so we'll know how much damage it did to him. So we're going to start off with the M1911, and we're going to shoot him once in the face. No, just so you know, headshots, body shots, and arm shots all do the same damage in this game. So yeah, we just need to wait for him to tell us how much it did. Okay, so there's 84 health left, which means that that did 16 damage. So the M19 did 16 damage to the player. So we now have the Deagle. We're going to shoot him in the face. Okay, let's see what he says. So he has 73 health left. That means that he lost 27 damage. So the Deagle does 27 damage to the player. Let's heal him back up. Okay, so we have the AK now. We're going to shoot him in the head. Oh wait, he needs to pick up the printer. Okay, we're good. Okay, I shot him in the head. Let's see what it did. So that did 84 damage, which is the same as the M1911, which means that that did 16 damage, but it's also full auto, so that helps. And then the M16, see how much that does. Okay, so I just shot him with the M16. We're gonna see how much damage it did. I forgot to heal him last time. So he's at 78 health, so that means that it did 22 damage. Let's get him with the M4. That didn't hit, that didn't. Oh. And we're gonna shoot him with the M4. And let's see what he answers. 78, so that means that it does 22 damage. Now we're going to test fire rate out. Okay, we're going to be testing fire rate now. What we have are all of our guns. We're going to make sure they're all fully reloaded. That guy slaughtered the test subject. Okay, I don't need those. But yeah, we're going to be testing fire rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spam click the, I'm going to spam click the guns and just try to find out the fire rate of them. I'm going to kind of just say how good they are. Don't really have anything to count the rounds per minute. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to spam click. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. So that's a decent fire rate, I guess, for a pistol. We're gonna spam this again. Okay, that was laggy, but it seems that M1911 and the Deagle both have the same fire rate. Now let's see the AK. Okay. That's very good. Now let's see this. Okay, it seems also that this has the same fire rate as the M1911 and the Deagle. Let's try this one. Okay, that I believe is superior to the AK. Let's test out the AK now. Okay, yeah, they're actually both the same, now that I see. So we are going to now, well, I mean the Medigun, its rate of fire